Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by powering on the Crest Watch and making sure it has more than half battery. This prevents interruptions. Next, open your phone and enable Bluetooth and location services because the app needs both to scan reliably. Then install and sign into the official Crest Watch app. Once installed, open it and grant requested permissions so the app can discover nearby devices. Start the device-bearing workflow in the app now, and keep both devices within 1 meter to ensure a stable initial connection. Once scanning begins, watch the app display available devices and select your Crest Watch from the list. You must choose the correct device ID if multiple devices appear. When prompted, confirm the pairing code or PIN on both watch and phone. This verifies you pair the right items. After confirmation, allow the app to perform initial data sync and enable notifications and background permissions. This makes sure alerts and health data flow consistently. Make sure you stay near the phone. You finish by verifying the connection. Check the watch time, recent steps, or a test notification sent from the app to confirm two-way sync. If you don't see updates, first toggle Bluetooth off then on and reboot the phone and watch. This clears temporary radio conflicts. If reboots don't help, unpair in phone settings and repeat the app pairing flow. Only perform a factory reset on the watch as a last resort because that erases local data. Then pair again, following the same steps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.